The IML-RESI PowerDrill is a versatile tool designed for precise wood inspection, weighing approximately 20 kilograms with a rugged, splash-proof aluminum housing. Powered by 18 volts Li-ion batteries, it offers multiple drilling depth options from 200 millimeters to 1000 millimeters and adjustable drilling speeds. This digital drill features an easy-to-read display, collects data via USB or Bluetooth, and is compatible with IML Wood Inspector software. Ideal for tree, utility pole, structural wood, and playground equipment inspections, it ensures safety and accuracy with automatic needle retraction and comprehensive data analysis capabilities. The RocketFire Torch is an advanced fire starter designed for quick and efficient ignition. Made from stainless steel, brass, and aluminum alloy, it delivers 25,000 BTUs of heat with a flame temperature of 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Its patented tri-flame tip ensures even flame distribution, lighting wood and charcoal in seconds without the need for matches or lighter fluid. With safety certification and a cordless design, this torch is ideal for home and outdoor use, providing a reliable and convenient way to start fires. Meet the Eibenstock core drills, including the EHD-2002S and ETN-162-3P, which are powerful tools designed for various construction and industrial drilling needs. The EHD-2002S features an 1800-watt motor, weighs 5.9 kilograms, and has a 2-speed gearbox, making it ideal for dry drilling in materials like brick and concrete. The ETN-162-3P, with its 2200-watt motor and 3-speed gearbox, is versatile for both wet and dry applications, supporting drilling diameters up to 202 millimeters. Both models emphasize safety with features like mechanical safety clutches and temperature controls, ensuring reliable performance on any job site. The Hose2Go by Makinex is a portable constant pressure water supply unit, perfect for dust suppression and blade cooling in construction. Made from high-strength composite materials, it weighs 12.6 lbs dry and 43 lbs when full, with a 3.65-gallon tank. It delivers a consistent 7 to 10 psi of water pressure for up to 30 minutes without needing a pump, battery, or electronics. This reliable and easy-to-use tool is designed for convenience and durability in challenging environments. The E1000 Super Skub mini dumper is a versatile and environmentally friendly tool designed for professional use in urban settings. With its electric asynchronous 3-phase motor, it delivers 2,000 watts of power and 14 Newton-meters of torque, ensuring efficient performance. This mini dumper, weighing 376 kilograms, can carry up to 1,000 kilograms of payload and operates with low noise levels, making it ideal for construction sites and landscaping projects. Its lithium-ion battery provides 12 hours of runtime on a single charge, promoting long, uninterrupted work sessions with minimal environmental impact. Next, talk about another game changer. The Hilti NRC 622 is a cordless rebar cutter designed for high efficiency and safety. With the ability to make up to 122 cuts per charge, its cermet-tipped blades reduce sparks and heat buildup. Featuring a fully enclosed blade guard and an adjustable handle, it's perfect for cutting rebar and threaded rods with precision and minimal effort. The tool's ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, making it an essential tool for construction professionals. Next, the MARSHALLTOWN mesh taper is a handy tool for applying self-adhesive mesh tape to drywall seams and corners. It measures 12.5 inches in length, 10 inches in width, and 2.75 inches in height, and weighs 1.39 lbs. Made from durable plastic, it holds mesh tape with 2-inch and 3-inch cores. The roller extends for easy corner application, and a trigger-operated blade ensures precise cutting. This tool is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, simplifying drywall installation and repair projects. Meet the Milwaukee M18 brushless telescoping pole pruning shears, which are designed for efficient and precise pruning. With an adjustable length from 7 to 10 feet and a cutting capacity of up to 1 to 3/4 inches, these shears make it easy to reach high branches without a ladder. Powered by an M18 red lithium TM high output TM XE 6.0 battery pack, they deliver up to 2,000 cuts per charge. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, while safety features like a retractable branch hook and bump guard provide added protection. Perfect for maintaining hard-to-reach areas with ease and precision. The Crescent Bull Bar is designed to make deck removal efficient and less labor-intensive. Measuring 44 inches in length and weighing 7.65 lbs, it features a durable alloy steel construction with a powder-coated finish. Its 180-degree indexing head with multiple locking positions and double fork design allows for maximum leverage and balanced nail removal. The precision tips and gripping teeth prevent board slippage, making it ideal for reclaiming materials with minimal damage. This robust tool is perfect for both ground-level and overhead work, simplifying demolition tasks and enhancing productivity for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Imagine a tool that transforms your workspace with its efficiency and strength. The Bora PM4500 Speedhorse is a game-changer for anyone involved in construction or woodworking. Weighing just 17.9 lbs, it unfolds in seconds to a sturdy 30-inch height, supporting up to 1,500 lbs per sawhorse. Its quick-deploy legs and durable steel and aluminium design make it an essential companion for any heavy-duty task, ensuring you can work with ease and confidence. Next, the Jessem Pocket Mill Pro is a marvel for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. This pocket hole jig system, crafted from precision-machined aluminium and steel, weighs about 10 lbs, ensuring durability without compromising portability. With its adjustable drilling angles and micro-adjustment feature, it offers unparalleled precision for creating strong, hidden joints. Additionally, the integrated dust collection port keeps your workspace clean, making every woodworking project smoother and more enjoyable. Meet the Wagner Control Pro 30 Power Tank Paint Sprayer, which is a versatile tool for any painting project. Weighing just 11 lbs, it features HEA technology that reduces overspray by up to 55%, ensuring a smoother and more controlled finish. Its 1.5-gallon tank and 25-foot hose make it perfect for both interior and exterior work, handling unthinned paints with ease. Designed for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts, it promises efficiency and a professional quality finish every time. The Makita MUH016G cordless hedge trimmer combines power and convenience for perfect garden maintenance. Weighing just 8.8 lbs with a 24-inch blade, it offers up to 60 minutes of runtime on a 40 volts max XGT battery. Its brushless motor, anti-vibration design, and ergonomic features ensure a comfortable trimming experience, while safety is enhanced with an electric brake and dual switch activation. Ideal for both professional landscapers and homeowners, this tool makes shaping hedges and shrubs effortlessly precise. The TT3 Tower Lamp is a versatile lighting solution, perfect for construction sites or outdoor events. Standing tall at 11 feet when extended, it delivers 3,000 lumens of bright, daylight-quality light. With its rechargeable battery providing up to 8 hours of runtime and an IP65 rating for weather resistance, it's built to withstand tough conditions. Easy to transport and set up, the TT3 ensures you have reliable lighting wherever you need it. The King Kombo 2.0 by Little Giant Ladders is a versatile tool for every handyman and homeowner. This lightweight, durable fiberglass ladder can transform into a step ladder, extension ladder, or leaning ladder, making it perfect for any task. With a load capacity of 375 lbs and easy height adjustment, it ensures both safety and convenience. Whether you're painting, doing maintenance, or working on electrical projects, the King Kombo 2.0 is your reliable partner. Meet the UpCart Hero, which redefines convenience in moving heavy items with its lightweight and durable design. Weighing just 10.6 lbs, it unfolds to a height of 45 inches and boasts a robust 200 lbs load capacity. Its tri-wheel system effortlessly climbs stairs and navigates uneven surfaces, while the adjustable telescoping handle ensures comfort. Ideal for homeowners, movers, and delivery personnel, the UpCart Hero transforms the challenge of transporting heavy loads into a seamless experience. That's all for today, friends. Which tool impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and join us again soon to explore more amazing tools and innovations. See you next time!